Hello everyone, this is a tutorial about the free software LibreCAD for the 2D designs. So to draw a line, you just get this whole menu, and the best way is to go for 2 points. So you define the first point, and then you define another point. Okay, so the thing is, you don't need to alter all these because you have to fill in these values with the respect to the origin. So before I do it, this is how you make a line, but what is the width of this line, what's the height of this line, this you can see from the values in here. So I will draw the line again, and you would see that what is the length of your line. Okay, so if you right click, you can see the latest tool that you have used. I'm going for 2 point again, and if I click at 1 point, you can see this number changing. This is a 0 0, and if I go into the positive x direction, it will increase. And if I want a perfect horizontal line, I will press and hold shift key, so it will snap to the some angle, or snap to perpendicular, or whatever. Okay, so I prefer holding the shift key and move it, and do it at 100 here. Okay, so this is how you make a line. And if you click and hold the left mouse button and go from right to left, everything you touch will be selected. And if you do the opposite, click and hold the left mouse button and go from left to right, then you have to cover the whole object in order to select it. If you just intersect the object, it will not be selected. So this is about the selection tool. If you hold the middle mouse button, you can rotate the canvas. Okay, so I'll just delete everything. I would like to go for a rectangle, rectangle with the 2 points in here. 1 point is here, and another point is here. You can see the measurements of the rectangle on the, see, this is x, again the same line here. This is the x length. This is the, maybe I say 1920 20 millimeters. I've set my units to the 20 millimeters, and if I go below to the negative side, negative x axis, I can do 20 again. So make sure it's 20 20. Okay, so this is 20 20. Okay, if I want to now if I select the rectangle, it will be selected as a whole. But if I want certain lines, then I can just select this whole rectangle, go to explode. So every line will be selectable now. Okay, I go here and explode. I delete. I go again, 2 points. I can zoom in here, 2 points here, here, 2 points here and here. And if I select this line and delete it, select this line and delete it, I have this whole thing. This is a new geometry here. I'll select this whole object. I can move it to the close to the origin in here, and like this I can make a lot of objects. If I want to copy, I would like to press the copy button and select all of the objects that I want to copy, because now these are exploded, so we have different lines, individual lines. I've selected everything. Now I want to go to again go to this copy button, and now it will ask me the point and the anchor point from which I want to copy. So I'll click here. Okay, so this figure has been copied, and from this point it will be available to be pasted there at the canvas. So if I go to the paste button in here, I see I can do in here, and if I go to the paste again, I can do it in here. Okay, so this is how you copy. If I want to undo, I will undo these figures. Okay, so if I want to rotate again, so what I will do, I'll just select this whole thing and go to here, rotate. So when you see these four lines and the intersecting four lines, you should know that it's asking you for an anchor point. So if I click in here, so this is the point where it will be rotated, and this is the point I want to rotate it from. See, now I can rotate the figure in any way I want. So this figure has been rotated. I'll copy and paste in